Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about Ramantadine, also known as Gabarol, a medicine that helps us fight the flu. To start, what is Ramantadine? It's an antiviral that doctors prescribe to treat and prevent the flu caused by the type A virus. It can be really helpful when it's flu season or if there are big outbreaks. And how does it work? Ramantadine stops the virus from multiplying inside our bodies. By doing this, it helps the flu last for a shorter time, and makes the symptoms not as strong. Now let's talk about how to take it. It's super important to follow what your doctor tells you. Usually for adults, you start by taking 100 milligrams twice a day, and then you continue with the same dose for the rest of the treatment. To avoid stomach problems, it's best to take it with food. Like all medicines, Ramantadine can have some side effects. The most common ones are feeling nauseous, dizzy, or having a headache. If you notice anything more serious like trouble breathing or allergic reactions, it's important to get medical help as soon as possible. Remember that Ramantadine isn't for everyone. If you have any illnesses or take other medications, always talk to your doctor before you start using it. To wrap things up, Ramantadine can be a big help in fighting type A flu if it's taken the right way. Follow your doctor's instructions, get good information, and take care of your health. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more health tips. See you soon.